How to change theme on FxPro application. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to change your theme on the FxPro app using your mobile device, then the process is easy. Launch open FxPro application on your device first and log into your account. Once you're logged in, from the home page of FxPro, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now, from the menu that appears on the screen, select Appearance. Inside Appearance, tap on Theme. Select between light or dark theme to change it immediately. You'll be able to see three different options such as System Setting, Light Mode, and Dark. Pick one you like. Dark mode is great for night trading, while light mode is clearer in daylight. Once you are done, you will see the theme changed immediately in the app. So there you have it. That's where you can easily switch between themes in the FxPro application using your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.